So on the left side of the steering wheel right now, I am touching that multi-directional keypad and I'm just moving my thumb, and you can see how it coordinates with what is showing up here in this center cluster display. Now with my hand on the right side of the steering wheel, you can see that multi-directional keypad, what those mean. And then hitting the pages icon down here, it flips it, and now we can go display, and that's your heads up display, and heads up display down, and then heads up display what is on your heads up display, and then left it changes what's on your heads up display meter right there. And I'm pushing the arrows left and right. So speaking of heads up display, let's take a look at what your full color heads up display looks like. So this is your full color heads up display. Isn't that nice? So now I'm just looking out the glass of the windshield, and now I can have it display any of these things. And look, I'm pushing the up arrow on the steering wheel on the right side of the steering wheel right now, and it's moving it up and down. So let's go right there, and that allows me to see everything now. Isn't that cool? And now G-force indicator, blank, driving support, fuel consumption, average speed, and elapsed time. I like energy monitor because that lets me see, it helps me to drive in a more efficient manner. You can see there on the bottom left is park. There to the right of that is my speed. To the right of that is my following distance. And then while I'm driving, it's going to display, once the vehicle is in motion, it's going to display my efficiency monitor, or the electric vehicle driving ratio, EV driving ratio.